All right, just getting ready to leave. Me and my buddy Dan, we're going on a ride.
Do it.
Check it out. This ought to be pretty cool.
This is your little screen. Okay, so I turn it on, this top button. You won't have to worry about that because I turned it on now. And it's got 5 different settings for how much power it wants to give. So this is active range. I'm gonna leave it right there. This is the up and down. So you can go one more up, that's sport. You can go another one up, which is power. What mechanism would you want to go up a little bit more? There you go. Just so you're kind of nice and easy. So it's going to be really easy going out. We got a hell of a tailwind right now. A little tougher coming in. That bike is shouldn't be too bad. Your ass is probably going to hurt more than anything. I can do myself.
Little fire along all this. Is all that, I guess the whole thing's burned in there, isn't it?
Yes, they burned it. Look how lush that grass is.
Yeah. Yep. That's pretty cool. They were a lot closer when I...
Oh yeah, they're way close.
Oh, I missed it a little bit. Let's see if I can zoom in just a little more. No, that's the max. Pretty cool. Just outside of your house, that's perfect.
Okay, your box right here on the right.
Yeah.
One in the weeds, right by the water.
Yep.
And then the one kind of high up.
Yeah, those are big. Wow, this is entirely different here. Look at these palm trees and shit coming up.
Right.
Holy cow.
That's good, that's good.
Oh yeah.
So, this right here in the summertime, in a month of a big ass baby. Bunch of babies. Shell babies. There's all little babies. See one on here? By the bank going that way?
Oh yeah.
There was a dozen. There's one under the tree over there. So, keep that rolling because I bet I can get Mama to fucking, she will storm us.
I don't want to be stuck here without my hands ready on.
We're going to make, I did this last week and she came crashing through that brush. Just make a distress call. Here.
What's that?
She's a big bastard. She came crashing through that timber and just dove right in the water. It beeline swimming right to me. And I just was... So in the summer, Ron, and I told you how wet it is out here. So this is a water crossing in your bike right here.
Oh no shit.
Comes up to axle.
No shit.
And there's gators. But you got to go through and look. I mean,
and you got to go through
how far it is. Yeah, I come out here. There's times out here, but when I'm by myself, that I stop.
Oh, there's the little one right there.
Yeah, and I really have to think about it. Like, do I want to do that?
Yeah. Oh my God, I can totally understand. All right, let's keep going.
Hey, see him swimming?
Yeah.
Isn't that awesome?
Yeah.
No one. This is new ride we want here.
Yeah, this would be sketch as could be.
Oh, I had a couple close to go. But there's So Terry, this is the deepest I've seen this water. I'm gonna go ahead and cross it. A truck went through it just a minute ago, so I think the gator threat is probably gone at this point. But anyway, here you go, stay tuned. Oh, that's deep. Deep, completely underwater. Up to the front axle. That's on my 29 inches. So it's deep. There you go. More water out here than I've seen in a long time.
Get what?
Your feet get soaking wet.
Oh yeah. What was in there? Okay.
It's a little Jurassic Park.
Yeah, this is unbelievably cool. Private property in there.
38 feet.
Wow.
Put a water stopper.
Huh.
Water stopper. About 45 minutes out there. And I was like, why do you water stopper?
Wow. That is really cool. That tree grew right up and around it. Yeah. You owns both sides?
Yeah. It's not that much. It's 30 acres. That little track that just went through. You see how different that is?
Yeah.
All this is?
Yeah. Oh, baby. Look at this. The what?
You see him launch right here.
Oh,
see
yeah.
That
Oh,
big
yeah.
bastard? Look how big that one is.
Oh, yeah.
He was right here and he ran and jumped. That is, that's one of the big ones there. Look at the size of the head on that guy.
Yeah, he's got quite awake.
There are 3 of them going off the bank right
Oh, yeah.
front.
Yep. Look at the crane in the back. Oh, my God.
There's more on the bank. See him?
Oh, yeah. He's still on the bank. There's one right in there. Oh, yeah, baby. God dang, he leaped. That was awesome.
Osprey. You hear the osprey sitting on the top of that dead.
Oh, yeah. Yep.
That's his call.
So there's 3 of them right there.
Yeah.
3 heads.
Yeah. You see all these out here?
Oh, look at that one down there. Oh, God, they're all over in there.
2, 3, 4, 5. I see 5 right there. 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, they're everywhere.
Wow. Gator, gator. Not alligator, gator.
All the gators.
Yeah.
This feels much safer. I had to walk out like 2.5 miles, and I was walking in grass, literally just a few feet from the water. Grass that was, you know, up to here. That's not what you want to do.
No, that doesn't sound like it.
I did go find a big stick, you know, a big sturdy stick, and I had that.
Oh, sweet.
fucking cool.
Yeah.
How cool is that?
Oh my God. Look at this freaking place. Awesome.
The birds flying in. Look at that. The 3 birds. How beautiful that is. Coming right at you.
Mm-hmm.
Coming right at you.
Yeah, hang on. Let me get the other camera out because I got zoom lens on it.
That'd be cool.
Yeah, it'll
Like
probably
if
be
you
really
make it
cool.
like a movie, like I just ride over there.
Yeah, let me, this is perfect right here.
Okay.
Let me get the zoom lens on that.
Got a little heron right in front of us. It's cool.
All right, go do it.
Oh my God. That one's big though, Ron.
There goes one out.
See the V in the water going towards the bank.
Uh-huh. Oh, this one's coming out right here. Look. All right, go do it. Oh my God.
That one's big though, Ron.
There goes one out. Were you getting a little scared? Oh, fuck. Yeah. So I'm stuck here. Dan went back because I lost the compartment that holds my battery into the camera. So he zipped back there to see if he could hurry and find it because it was a recent thing that I discovered. So here he comes. We are filming. I got red dot again, which is good.
Color.
Oh yeah, let's go. Oh shit, hang on. I got a backpack. Okay. I'm all zipped up. You think that is a snake?
I don't know.
I don't know. I'm almost ready, almost ready. Gotta
Look,
snap
there's a
this
nighthawk I was telling you about.
Oh yeah. Okay, here we go. Now we got light right here. How do I do the light? Up on, right?
Don't turn it on yet.
Okay.
The wheels kicking in. You know what the wheel sounds like? Bird?
Maybe.
You'll hear them.
Okay.
They're starting up now. I just heard one. A couple hundred yards back.
All right. Look at that color now.
Back.
Wow. You know what? Again, I'm stopping for that color through these things. I can't get that very often.
Come out here on a night after we've had some rain, and the sound of the frogs.
Oh God, yeah, right?
Almost deafening.
Oh my hell, look at the bugs that are in your headlights sometimes.
Yeah.
Holy shit. That was crazy. I wonder if it's catching that at all.
Oh, I bet. That's good.
You hit a swarm, man.
So that's it, man. Like, where we started. Pretty awesome, right?
Yeah, man.
Turn left here.
Yeah.
Could grab a nice cold beer and just cruise down this road drinking a beer for a minute.
While riding?
Yeah. Or we just stop and drink it right here.
Let's stop and drink it right here. My ass hurts.
That's fine, man.
Okay. Oh my God. Oh, that was freaking awesome.
Isn't that cool?
Oh man, thank you so much.